At first, please see those cinematic shots. Imagine a motorhome so advanced, it feels less like a vehicle, and more like a moving five-star hotel. A coach designed not just for travel, but for redefining your lifestyle on the open road. Welcome back to Motor Means. Today, we uncover the all-new 2026 Newmar Dutch Star 4071. Starting at $639,740, this isn't just another RV, it's an engineering statement. Let's start with the exterior. The 4071 measures over 40 feet and 9 inches, built on a Spartan or Freightliner tag axle chassis for outstanding road stability. Newmar's signature full-paint masterpiece finish, with choices like Brita, Delft, and Liss, guarantees you'll turn heads at every stop. On top, a one-piece insulated fiberglass roof keeps the coach strong, durable, and quiet in all weather. Outside, power slide-outs expand your living space, while dual integrated awnings create a perfect shaded patio. Easy close baggage doors reveal huge pass-through storage bays. And if you love outdoor entertainment, an optional exterior TV and speaker system brings movie night under the stars. Step into the cockpit, and you'll feel more like a jet pilot than a driver. The Comfort Drive adaptive steering system makes every mile smooth, while advanced safety tech, lane tracking, adaptive cruise, and collision mitigation keep you protected. You also get a fully digital dash, premium Harman JBL sound, wireless charging pads, and optional heated captain's chairs for those long road days. Inside, it's luxury reimagined. An 87-inch hide-a-bed sofa and a 68-inch jackknife sofa, upgradable to theater seating, form the heart of the lounge. A 50-inch Samsung 4K TV rises elegantly on a televator system. LED ceiling lighting, radiant heated polished tile floors, and triple 15,000 BTU Penguin heat pump AC units ensure total comfort, no matter the season. The kitchen combines elegance with function. An all-electric induction cooktop, convection microwave with air fryer, and optional dishwasher handle everyday cooking with ease. You'll also enjoy a full-size Whirlpool refrigerator, pull-out pantry, and extended countertops for extra prep space. This is a chef's corner on wheels. The bedroom transforms travel into relaxation. A king-size pillow-top mattress, Lady TV, generous wardrobes, and a lighted safe make this room both cozy and practical. It's a private retreat you look forward to every night. This floor plan includes a bath-and-a-half layout, a mid-coach half bath for guests, and a luxurious rear full bath with cathedral ceiling, solid surface counters, aqua miser water system, and a spacious shower with high-end fixtures. It's a spa-like experience, no matter where you're parked. Powering the Dutch Star 4071 is a Cummins L9 diesel engine producing 450 horsepower and 1,250 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an Allison transmission, it delivers smooth highway power and excellent towing. The tag axle suspension keeps everything stable, even on challenging roads. With a GVWR around 49,000 pounds, heavy-duty tires, and a robust chassis system ensure strength and safety for long hauls. This is a coach built for both comfort and endurance. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star 4071 is more than just a motorhome. It's a moving luxury suite, blending design, comfort, safety, and performance, all starting at $639,740. If you love this tour, Drop your thoughts in the comments. What feature impressed you the most? And for more luxury motorhome reviews, hit subscribe and ring the bell, only here on Motor Means.